What's up, guys? This is Ernie with Ernie's Auto and Truck Center, coming to you live post SEMA 2019 with our 2020 Baja HD. Alright, so up front we started with trimming the stock bumper, removing the valance and creating a custom skid plate with a little Baja push bumper. Underneath it we got the Baja Designs 30-inch single row. For suspension on this truck we have the prototype BDS 2.5 coilover conversion for the 2020 HD. Up top we got the Firehill Fabrications custom Baja light bar with 6 Pro 9 LED lights from Baja Designs. We feature our custom rack from Perrycraft with Rhino racks featuring our 2 longboards on top. In-house we made custom rock sliders for the side. Wheel and tire setup is 17x9 with a -38 offset. Machete Crawl from KMC XD wheels, featuring 35 1250 17 Mickey Thompson ATZ P3s because they're the best.
Okay. You want to elaborate?
Well, I mean, Carter told me to. So we went with these tires because nothing outperforms in the desert other than these, in our opinion.
Okay.
Cool.
Some fighting words.
Yeah. Come at me. All right, in the bed of the truck, we're featuring a CWF off-road bed cage, allowing us to have more travel with Fox 2.5 reservoir shocks. We have 2 full-size spares. In the center of that, we have the Pro Eagle jack. With the new 2020 HD being released, we want to do something different than the norm where most of them would be lifted sky high. We wanted to go with the Baja prerunner theme. So we did, and created the graphics and color scheme around BB-8 from Star Wars, which is one of our favorite characters. If you want to check out more highlights on this 2020 HD pre-runner, please check us out at erniesatc.com or follow any social media aspects along BDS Suspensions.